Hey y'all, got a package in the mail today I've been patiently and excitedly waiting for, but it's going to contain a little bit of a USPS rant, if you don't mind. So, got this. You know, everybody knows this guy right here. Check out that super cool packaging. Love it. Let's just quick start with a rant. I'm not going to get into it too bad. Uh, so, T-Bird sent this out on February 19th. From the moment he sent it till the time, I'm sorry, the same day that he sent it, February 19th, it also arrived in Massachusetts. It took till February 25th, arrived in Indianapolis. Let's see, February 28th, arrived in Virginia, which is the opposite direction of where I am at. But then the same day, arrived back in Indy. Go figure. Yeah, this little rant's kind of like what Cranky Stacker had here last week, and Mishy Stacker, I think it was this morning. Little rant on our postal service. So, continuing on, March 3rd, arrived in Grand Rapids, Michigan. March 4th, arrived in Kalamazoo, Michigan, and then today, delivered to my mailbox. So, yeah, it's getting kind of ridiculous. You know, I am thankful it came. I'm very excited to get this package. But, you know, really, 2 weeks from New York to Michigan, you know, maybe 3 to 4 days. I think the first estimated delivery day was like February 22nd or something, maybe 23rd. I can't quite remember. So, T-Bird, if you're wondering, it did arrive. But enough of that. Won't sit here and complain too much. Let's get to it. Open her up. I pretty much know what it is, but you know what? Still exciting. It's my first mail call from T-Bird. Slice her open just a little bit more here. And we all know that T-Bird is the king of swag, so you know she's loaded up. Let's get her open just a little bit more. There we go. Man, got her packaged in nice and tight too. I'm fumbling myself around, aren't I? I'll just get it all out. She be empty. So where should we start? Let's start with the envelope. This is Stackerman's Rabbit Hole T-Bird. Yes, I am still Stackerman's Rabbit Hole, but on YouTube I just shorten up my name to SMC. It makes it a lot easier in live streams and all. That way people can type faster if they want to say hello. So what do we got here? T-Bird, Stackerman's Rabbit Hole. T-Bird stacking and collecting. Thank you. And I tell you what, guys and gals, this envelope is loaded. Bird's the word. That's right, buddy. We'll read the card first. It's only the right thing to do, right? Thank you for the pour trade. It was amazing pour. Thanks for all your support on my channel. Here is my T-Bird bar pour number 23, 4.2 ounces of 999 fine copper, and all my swag. Enjoy, and John Deere green it is. I forgot about that. Thanks, buddy. So we'll see what we got here. Bunches and bunches. My short video is not going to be that short. T-Bird stacking and collecting. 21.50 slap. A magnet. Another magnet, and I love magnets. These are cool, man. You really go all out, I tell you what. You probably go all out more than most anybody. Here's a coaster, which, like, I never use the coasters, and others in the community don't, because we want to keep them as collectibles. Oh, it even says something on the back. 32 of 50. Another slap. Dude, I love them colors. That is so cool. My old 1990s fluorescent lighting here above and behind me, it still shows up. Sweet. I can tell you right now, I'm probably not going to have enough room on my board for all of these, so I'll just have to choose a few of my favorites. This little psychedelic sparkly one. I'm sure a lot of you guys all have one of these, but boy, if you could see that in person, that is cool. Oh, I haven't been reading the back, have I? 32 of 50. 20 of 50. Sorry about that. A couple more of those. 22 and 39 of 50. Oh, style 1 and 2. Sorry, I'm watching my phone here and not really paying much attention. Oh yeah. Nice, nice. And it just keeps on coming. But wait, there's more. 18 of 50. Dude, I'm going to have a whole new board just for you. Man, them sparkles are awesome. Yeah, glitter, that's what it is, not sparkles. Sparkly glitter. How about that? Excuse me. Awesome, awesome, man. Love me some stickers, and a little satchel here full of stuff too. Never ends. T-Bird poker chip. And I love my poker chips too. That is cool. Just gonna have to go right there for now till I get with my buddy, get my little rack made it up. T-Bird hat pin. That can go up here somewhere also. Bottle opener. Yep, need one of those every great now and then. John Deere green. Awesome. Probably not going to say the best part, but the part that we did a trade on was a copper pour. One of T-Bird's fantastic copper pours. Got some side stamping. That's an excellent idea to do that. 2025. Triple 9 fine Kappa. Number 23. Nope, we got one more side. 4.2 ounces. So yeah, that's a beautiful, beautiful bar. It's going to go right over by there with my other community pours. So appreciate it, T-Bird. Man, I got to get you back somehow one of these days. That is just a ton of swag, man. Keep up the good work. I know you've been pouring your heart out, making tons of your bars, which is cool, and your sand casting is, man, just keep going with it, dude, because it's turning out great, I think. Way better than my little bit of sand casting, which I haven't tried a whole lot of here lately. So if anybody doesn't know T-Bird, He's T-Bird Stacking on YouTube. Go check him out. He's a great guy, very helpful in the streams, done some moderating. He's an amazing pour artist. So let's give him some support. Thanks again, T-Bird. Catch y'all later. Thanks for watching. Good night. God bless.